We finally made it! Oh, this must be Fontaine's... Wow! Everything looks so advanced in Fontaine! Just seeing the sights as a tourist is nice, but maybe it would be better if we found some... What do you think? Good idea! Seeking out the seven is probably... Yeah! The more we can... So, what do you... To learn about a nation's god, start with the nation's people. There seems to be some locals talking over there. Let's go see if we can join the party.
If you ask me, it's a tragedy how things ended for him.
Yeah, I didn't expect that kind of ending for him. I thought he would at least fight on a little longer for his family. I was expecting a sudden plot twist.
Excuse me, can I help you too? Play? Oh, no.
Yes? Wait, well, good tales are often based on truth.
About our childhood. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Linny, and this is my sister Lynette. If I had to guess, I'd say you must be travelers from abroad.
Nice to meet you. Paimon is Paimon, and this... We were just talking with your sister.
So you're going to see Lady Farina? No problem at all. Please follow me.
You said you were going to see Lady Farina?
upcoming performance at the Opera House, Mr. Lin.
Now, if you'd like to help, then please give these.
What's this? So you are... No, I believe in prophecy. The story said... So you're the blonde traveler.
I don't want that thing. It's all about meats. All right, fine. Thanks. Oh, you already handed out all of the magic pockets? You made quick work of that. I can tell you're an experienced... Good. This is an aqua bus. It allows people... This is our current abode. Ah, Fontaine, you're home. Oh, they all just went out a moment.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Oh, no need.
Oh, hello there.
Traveler, Paimon! I didn't think I'd run into you here in Fontaine. What are the chances? Can you at least let me finish one sentence? Riptide! Break!
fury. Oh, Archon, please. I don't know why you always do the loop. I guess if there are kid, and there's no doubt.
Rather than worrying about, don't let that calm look of his.
Oh, right.
Ah, Traveler and Paimon, good to see you.
Yeah, we'll just go to our seats. Oh, these should be our seats. Hey, Traveler, maybe we should strike up a...
Excuse me, I did not realize you felt awkward. I would be perfectly happy to chat with you, trying to get... So I think you should take notice of her sooner rather than later. Other...
Huh? Oh,
Very good. That is for the best.
they're dimming the lights. The show must be starting.
Welcome, one and all, to the Opera Epiclese. I am the star of today's show, Linny. And over here is my sister, Lynette, who will be working as my wonderful assistant. Please, let's give her a... The lucky audience member will be generated by this. It selects numbers entirely at random. Now then, let's begin. Let me see. Oh, row 7, seat 3. Congratulations. Please, come forward. My assistant will take you beside... I'm sorry, it might be a little cramped inside, but no need to feel nervous. Ta-da!
What happened? Is this part of the show? Mr. Linny, you're going to use magic to...
What happened?
Hello, officer. How's the investigation going? So this is the rope that broke... This thing...
I see that you're investigating the...
That does remind...
Hey, you! Yes, both of you! Over here!
The investigation team.
See?
Hello there.
It's important.
Sorry, but
We've checked everything of note here at the performance, huh? We're about to see.
Understood. Then
Very good. Thanks for.
You may spare the pleasantries.
Put two and two together. Exactly.
Oh, so there was a passageway under the magic box.
Everyone, we're.
And the floor is wet. Please be careful not to.
Let's. There it is.
oh, her clothes are here, but she's no.
Right. And do you? Ugh, this is so confusing. What is this place? Right, let Paimon write that down.
Well, we've ascertained the I'll be back if I find anything.
All right, it's time to put our heads together. We've got to get our defense ready for the trial. Oh, it's probably gonna be a long and difficult case. There's no point in worrying about that now. We just need to prepare.